folks, we are here at yet another pizza review. I don't stop. It's about 96 degrees here in South Florida. Really, really hot. Now, I want to remind you that we are in search of the perfect meatball. We're going to be going back to a lot of the pizza reviewed places that we did before to try their meatballs and other Italian foods that are on their menu. Right now, we're at a place called Porto Bella, and it's located at 9770 South Military Trail in Boynton Beach, Florida. Before I get started, there's a like button there. I need you to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the little bell. It'll remind you each and every time I have a new video. Your support is essential to my success. I do this for you and for the pizzerias. I want to bring you, the consumer, the information you need to know before you get in your car and go out to try a place. If it's good, we definitely want you to go there. If it's bad, we don't want you to go there. We want you to hold the owners accountable. Let them get on their A game. Quality ingredients, quality way of cooking, cleanliness, employees, it all goes into the taste. Here at Porto Bella, they are very clean. The location is very good. Lady at the front desk was a little hairy. She was nice, but at the counter, I should say, had a little bit of an attitude. As pilots, we check our crew before we leave. As a captain, I make sure that my co-pilot is okay mentally and physically well rested, so that I know I'm going to get good support from him, and he does the same from me. We check each other. As employers, you should check your staff before they start their shift. If they're not feeling it, they are your first impression, the customer's first impression. Send them home, because they will upset the customer like me when I go to have that transaction with them. It could greatly affect how I react to your food. Let's take a look at their slice. Okay, it's well done. They put the basil on like I asked. The sauce, as you can tell, is a little on the dark side. That's a little concerning to me. I don't like dark sauce. The cheese to sauce ratio does look good. There's good aeration in the crust there. You can see this is not a rolled out dough. Important to notice, when pizza is stretched, it's done from the center outward, and you usually leave an inch that you don't touch. If they roll it with a roller, you'll notice that the dough is flat all the way around, and that tells you that they've pushed all the air out of the crust and you won't have a crust. Let's take a look at the bottom of it. Okay, I can already tell. Look at that. This is a soggy pizza. We're not going to have a good experience. A lot of grease here. I'm going to fold it. Okay, we are getting that break along the back there, but look at the sogginess of this. Look at that pizza. It's just a soggy mess. Let's see how it tastes. Okay, we're going to stop right here. And you know that when I stop short of taking an additional bite of the actual pizza itself, I always take a bite of the pizza and the crust. It's not a good sign, right? The amount of grease on this pizza is ridiculous. Now, where is it coming from? Is it olive oil in the sauce? Or is it the fat coming off of the low-grade mozzarella that's being used here? I would say it's a fat coming off of the low-quality, low-grade mozzarella. There's no way on earth that that's a grande. There's no way it's a top-quality cheese. They're cutting corners, and I don't like that. Don't cut corners. The consumer deserves your best effort. I'm going to give this slice, at best, a 5.5. That's right. Harsh, but true. This is a 5.5 at Porto Bella in Boynton Beach. Very disappointed. We will come back to do their meatball review. That's my score, 5.5, Porto Bella, Boynton Beach. A real pizza review by a real Italian.